Hi, guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, Tyson. Everybody else is like muted here.
Yeah.
All right, Zach, you're unmuted. Damon, you're
Yeah, I can hear you.
Brett. Main thing we got to watch is just not talk over everybody at once. So how's everybody doing?
All right.
I'm doing pretty good. It's storming here.
Yeah, we got that storm a day or two ago. I think it's just now going through Dallas, right?
Yeah, so I don't know how good my connection will be because it might start hailing soon.
Okay. Once we get going, I'm going to go ahead and record it because I don't know if George is going to be here or not because he was traveling, I think, Sunday. Does that sound right?
Yeah, I think so.
I saw Nikita and he said he was heading out, going back to Romania. So we might be messing around with time changes. Everybody staying healthy?
Yeah, so far I haven't caught anything.
Mine just been hacking from allergies with mowing. Damon, does your voice work?
Does it?
Yeah, I just need turned up a little bit. Maybe not. You're just quiet.
Yeah, my mic's pretty bad.
Yeah. Thanks. Brett, are you up and running?
Yeah, I'm here if you can hear me.
Okay. Caitlin?
Yeah.
All right. How'd surgery go?
They canceled it. So
Oh,
yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, they canceled all unnecessary surgeries, so I don't know when they're gonna get me in.
Yeah. As long as okay. We'll be praying for you, girl. Sam, you up and running? I've got the makeshift in the bedroom here. And I ran to San Francisco. I was playing with background images the other day. Todd, you going good? Okay, so I haven't heard from Austin, Sam, Todd, or Dustin.
You type stuff in the chat.
Do what? Okay.
Talking in the chat.
Dustin, you're there. Are you no mic? Todd?
I have a mic.
Oh, Dustin does. Got you. But Todd doesn't. Okay. So who else are we missing here?
Dylan there?
Pardon?
Is Dylan there?
Dylan's not on here. I don't know what's happening to Dylan. I haven't heard from him since the break started.
Okay.
If you got a phone or you got his text mess, can you text him?
Yeah, I'll text him.
Okay. None of you guys have audio. I'm the only one that's got audio, right? We still are a couple minutes early. Anybody done anything interesting or just hung out at your house?
I set up a Ubuntu server over
Oh, you
the
did?
weekend. Yeah.
How's that going?
It's actually going really good. I'm looking to make it into a Plex server, hopefully over the week. Finish doing that.
You got to get bonus points in Grover's class. Look at that. We weren't even late waiting on Todd. We couldn't take our bets. So did everybody go home, I take it?
Yeah, I did whenever it first started.
Yeah, I went home, but that's only like 4 blocks away.
Yeah. All right. Well, I don't know if did Dylan text you back, Zach?
He just said he's in the chat. He said he's here.
I don't see him. Do you?
I don't see him either.
He probably joined the wrong class.
Yeah, we had a couple people join that I don't think I'd ever seen in our class.
How'd they get into our meeting?
I'm not sure. They probably just typed the wrong number in, and then by coincidence with how many meetings are being scheduled for this morning.
Right. That's why I figured the best thing to do is just, if we're going to go live, I'll shoot you an email with an invite, kind of like I did on this one. All right.
Yeah.
Did that work best for you guys just to click on it and come right in?
Yeah,
Yeah.
That's the only way I know how.
Okay. I don't plan on doing this for every class meeting. Okay. Just because logistics, trying to get everybody together at one time. Probably, I'm probably looking at once a week doing something like this. And then the other days of the week, because we only meet 2 days a week and then lab.
Let's see.
And lab all online.
One.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah. Who is that? Sam?
Hey, I think it worked.
We got it working now. Cool. But like on Wednesday, I'll try to upload an example and some videos. And then Friday, we'll do labs. And probably on Mondays, we'll try to do lectures. But if you still have problems and stuff, I can come in and if you can shoot me an email or an invite back, and we can schedule a one-on-one Zoom where I can help you work on a project or something during lab time also. Wednesday's going to be fun. I guess I'll break news to you right now. Wednesday, we're having a test. We missed a week in there, so we're about a week behind on our test. So we're going to have a regular programming test on Wednesday. Now, it's going to work a little bit funky because, you got resources, and normally I hand out a paper, you write it down, you turn it back in. Well, everybody's got computers and all that, so you're just going to type it up, but you're only going to have an hour to submit it. So it'll open on Wednesday at 10 o'clock, and you'll have to upload what you got by 11 o'clock on Wednesday. All right? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's going to be like just a programming assignment, but you're going to type it up and upload it into D2L, and the test will be in D2L. So that's what we'll do on Wednesday. So what I thought, hey, Dylan made it. So what I thought I would do was today I'd go through and kind of review on what we've got to do. So bingo. Can you guys see that now? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see it.
And see, this is the neat thing is if you need help on working on assignment, you can shoot me a video. You can send me an invite real quick. And if I'm at the computer, like on Friday, I can pull this up and you can share your desktop and we can debug it together. Okay. So I think it's going to work out all right. It's just going to be a little bit different. Okay. And remember now on that test on Wednesday, I don't want everyone working together. This is a do your own thing. All right. Some of this we have to have our own honor system here. So let's go in and kind of do something like we're expecting in a test. All right. So I'm going to come through here and I want a Visual Basic, right? And I want a Windows app. Can you see the little pop-up screen?
Yeah, I can.
You guys can see where I'm clicking the project.
Yep.
I've got a Windows form next, and let's just call this one VB Review, okay? We good there? Excuse me. I started the mowing season again, so I'm hacking and coughing like crazy. Okay, so probably where we left off, we were doing stuff where we had list box, correct? Right?
Yeah.
And we're moving information from one list box to the other. So let's put a couple list box out here. So we got list box 1, we got list box 2, and let's go in here and what do we want to put in here on the collection for list box 1? We had made sandwiches and stuff. Let's kind of like play like we're Walmart. What do we want to put in here for items? Don't everybody talk at once. I guess everybody's got to have toilet paper this time of year, huh?
Probably some hand sanitizer as well.
Yeah, soap. Bleach. Hey, we got to be topical, right? Beer, can't survive without that. But you kind of get the idea, right? So I'm going to use this first list box to have my items, and the second list box right now, we'll do it easy for this little test. Something like this will come through, and on list box 2, we'll have the price. So we can't do price gouging, but what do we want to put here? $5.99, something like that. So $3.99. Bleach. What's bleach? $1.99. Beer. All right, Dylan, this is your call. He's not talking, is he? Did he stay on with us? Yeah, there's Dylan.
Yeah, he's still in.
Can you talk, Dylan? Man, I bet this is killing us. I'm not seeing, when I go to this mode, I can't see the chat. So if he's chatting, let me know.
He told me his audio wasn't working.
Oh, okay. Man, this is probably killing him not being able to talk. All right, so there we go. We've got our items in there as well, correct? So let's have nothing more than a running total over here, okay? So what do we want to put? Text box over here, correct? And this is going to be our total. So like as I click items, well, no, let's do this one first. As we click on them, let's add what we're wanting to buy over here. And then at the bottom, we'll have a running total, okay? Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
What we'll do is when we click on this, we'll add the price down here, but we'll just move the name over there. So we've got to, first of all, come back out here on our form on load. We probably need to dim a total, right? And make this a decimal, correct? Actually, we'll make it dim it up here, and in there, we're going to do it. And then once it loads, what are we going to do to total? Zero it out.
Yeah, that'd probably be the right idea.
Okay, and then we want to come back and we want to go to list box 1 and create another method for click, right?
Oh!
He's live. How are you doing?
Good. Sorry.
You're fine. Just need to make sure you're alive there.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I just didn't mean to because I joined your link. Not like I used your code, but I guess it didn't work.
That's weird. All right. Well, we got pretty much everybody here. I think the only one we're missing is Lupe and George, right?
I don't know what George is doing. I don't know if he has Wi-Fi or not, or where he's
George.
at.
Oh yeah, in Romania, Europe's got Wi-Fi out there.
He's not. He wasn't able to go back to Europe though.
Yeah, I talked to Nikita, and he said he was flying out Sunday.
Oh, okay.
So that's on Nikita Saturday. So going in now the grocery store. Okay, so here we go. When I click on that link, I need to come through and I need to, I'm going to have temp. Let's do this. We want to do with an item temp, right? And that's going to be our item. And that's going to be a string field, correct? And then we also need to dim what? Amount. Elijah, you're in the wrong class meeting, dude. Boom. That's how we take care of that. Yes, he's in the wrong one. So right here, we're not going to have any of that spamming going on. All right, so here we go. Dim this one, item number. We also need the price, correct? And so to get the item, we also, besides that, we're going to need to save the spot, right? You guys with me?
Yeah.
And these aren't as temp, they're as what? You guys got docked.
Decimal.
Okay. So now we're going to come through here and we need to say item temp is going to be equal to what?
Would it be
This box index.
Let's box one dot.
is it selected item?
Selected item. Okay. Boom. So that one pulled that. We also need to come through here and say list box one dot selected index so we can save the spot, correct?
Yeah.
Right.
Now, we were to this point the other day where we know we can put in list box 2, correct?
Yeah.
Items dot add, and what are we adding to list box? Not 2, list box 3. Before I make a mistake here, because this is
We're
we're purchasing, right?
we're adding the first item selected in the index next to
Right.
it, right?
So we're saying item temp, correct?
Yeah.
That's what we're adding to 3. But to total, we need to gather the value from 2. So price is going to be what?
Selected index from
List box 2.
Be like
Yeah.
this box 2 dot selected.
index.
Do what?
It's list box 2 dot selected index, isn't it? Or would it be items because it's the number from it?
That's what I'm asking you guys. We got to get, it's going to pull it out as a string field, but we got to convert it. So remember, we're going to have the vowel of that also, right?
So we would have to so we're going to have to convert it from string to decimal because it's a number, right?
Okay. So let's make it a little easier right here. Let's first of all see if we can, we'll just have temp up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can get it in string form first. So right here, we'll just come through here and say temp is going to be equal to list box 2. How do we capture this though?
So would it be dot selected the selected item?
Or index.
selected index. But it's not selected. We have to set the selection, remember?
So it's coming from the last selected item, isn't it? So like whenever we select the last item, it should select this one too.
Wasn't there a set selected in here?
Yeah.
No, we have a remove.
I thought
Would it be on the, instead of items, would it be selected?
Is there a set selected out here?
Yeah, right below where you're.
Okay. And then we're setting the selection as what? S. And then I think we had to put a true in there to make sure it was right. That's not giving us right.
would it just be true?
But we have to put the value, right?
Yeah, because that's just selecting the item in list box 2. It's not actually giving a value for temp.
Yeah. Well, what it does is, yeah, you're right. So what we do is select it. This, come back, comma, and say true, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, after that,
Then it's
come
10
down,
equals
and then we say temp is equal to,
list box 2.
dot selected item. Because we selected the item on the line above. And then we got to turn around and convert it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is price is equal to what?
Format.
Convert the decimal.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Right?
Yeah.
And then we've got to add it to an accumulator, which is what? TOT plus equal price. Whoops. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to say, I think it's text box 1, right? Text is equal to,
Format currency.
whoops. And we want to format the currency of total, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see if it works. So what do you think? Is this going to work out all right, guys?
I
It
think so
should.
far it's been going good.
Yeah, it should.
I think it's going to do what it's supposed to do.
Can you see the screen running now?
Not the program running.
Okay. Hold on. Let me do a new share. There. Now can you see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
I've got the dual monitors going. It's, and then you got 4 screens on each monitor running. So, all right. So here, if I click on TP, boom, that worked.
There you go.
Toilet paper and beer. Everybody's got to have that, right?
Prices accumulated.
Yeah. The only thing it's not taking care of is if I click over here and remove it, and then it removes the price, right?
Yeah. So would that
How
be
can
like
we
an
do
if
that?
statement?
We
No,
can,
that's-
but probably an easier way right now.
Listbox 3 dot item selected dot remove.
But we can remove it from here, but it doesn't take away from down here, remember? Even though I removed the soap, it doesn't know where soap is right now. So a good way to kind of trick this, let's do this, okay? Okay, I gotta stop sharing that screen and go sharing this screen now. Okay, we good?
Yeah, it's working.
Yep.
Okay. Somehow, there. Is everybody still with me?
Yeah.
I'm here.
Okay.
I didn't see anybody disconnect.
Okay. Well, the only one I got rid of was Elijah. He's
See you later.
not letting him in on this class. Okay, so here we go. Let's go back to our form. One way we can make this work to our advantage is if we have list box 3, we can add a list box 4.
Where we can add all the removed items.
Yeah. No, not removed, but right here, when we add the toilet paper to here, we'll take the price and put it in the same spot. And then we just total it. So if we remove something, we can remove it from both, and then it'll retotal, right?
Yeah.
Remember how we did that on that example before we left?
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah. Let's just don't worry about removing it, okay? Because we're going to run out on time here. So let's not worry about that part of it. But how do you guys feel as far as what we've done right there, as far as putting together a little test?
Feel fairly confident in that.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll throw this code out too. And I know you're going to be able to use code and all that on a test, but I'm probably going to put it on timing, not if you get an hour with all your notes, you should complete this, correct?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. So are you going to want the test just completed in Word?
Yeah, just in Word.
Okay, sounds good.
I mean, my question is, does everybody have Visual Studio running on their computers?
I do.
Yeah,
I
it's
do.
working.
Not
do.
on this computer. I have to go back to NEO and get my other computer.
But no, so not on this one then.
Nope, not on this one.
Okay, then we're going to have to do it on Word because not everybody has access to the software yet. All right. Is that
Okay.
sound okay with everybody?
Yeah, that
Yep.
sounds good.
I don't know why I can't see the chat. Is anybody chatting?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
It's popping up on the screen every so often.
Yeah, mine doesn't. You guys are cutting me out on the chat, I guess.
So we're having a test here pretty soon over all
We're
this?
having a test on Wednesday,
Wednesday. Okay.
and it's going to be in D2L, and it's going to set to where it opens at 10 o'clock, and then it's going to be like you write it out on paper, a regular programming test where you fill everything out, fill in the blanks and stuff.
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and have all that document already set up out there, and it'll probably be in like PDF. But you'll have to open it up in Word or something like that. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
I've
that
actually
works.
I should be able to open it. I got a Chromebook, so.
Okay. Well, if push comes to shove and you can't do it, just create a new document and tell me what sections are what sections.
Okay.
But then you're going to upload it, and I'll just grade it by hand like I've done before on
Yeah.
tests. But it's only going to be open for about 50 minutes. So I want you to give it your best shot. And I know you're going to have resources now. So I expect really good things because I'm not going to proctor this one. Now, when we get to our finals, that's going to be a different deal. I'm going to throw a test together and put it out there on D2L. But I'm going to have you guys dial in, but I want video so I can proctor you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Right now, I know nobody else has their video up and running but me, but I really, really want you to try to get your video figured out before the final. All right?
Oh, my video works. I was just giving
Same.
you the spotlight.
I don't care. I'd rather see you guys' faces, man. I'm missing you. All I see is names.
What?
There's Caitlin. Thank you.
Hi, Hope. I have that little cover over my lens.
Oh, yeah. Well, see, I went ahead and just put my headphones in because my wife's in the other room. We're Zooming live at the same time in our house right now.
That must be rough.
Why? Hey,
Oh.
check it out, man. I've got the the room set up. You can't see it behind me now.
All I see is the Golden Gate Bridges.
Yeah, I had to put some kind. She used my computer for her first meeting. She logged in. She went. Everybody was like, "What are you doing in
What's
San
up, Zach?
Francisco?"
I just saw Zach.
Yeah, I mean, we need to see each other. That helps us, not just talking to each other.
Well, I saw.
Are you
Turn my video
getting
on.
data and enough Wi-Fi at home to work?
Yeah. I've got enough.
I know you do, Dylan, but what about Dustin? We were kind of concerned with him.
I'm not home.
Huh?
I'm not home.
You're not? Okay. All right. All right. Damon, how are we doing?
Pretty good.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to upload this example and put it out there in D2L so you guys have that to look at. And then Wednesday, we'll take a test, and Friday we'll do projects. All right. We'll start a new project. Sound good?
I don't know if I'll have my computer by Friday.
Well, we can work and you can catch up if you don't. But
Okay.
there. It's going to be one of those deals. I'm going to show you some stuff. You're going to work on some stuff, but then I'm going to have to add to it on Monday live to keep going forward. Okay. So it's just going to be kind of a trial and error here till we get it right, but it'll work. What are you doing? Flipping the camera upside down on us, Dustin?
Yep.
Okay. Well, any questions? You guys feel comfortable with this format and delivery?
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Wednesday, I've got to help my kids move. They're moving from Kansas City back to Pittsburgh. So what I'm going to be doing, if you have a question during the test or anything, I should be here most of the time during the test, but at, I can't guarantee I'll be here the whole time. So I could only answer with emails probably. All right, on Wednesday. Wednesday, I will not schedule a meeting. I might schedule one Friday real quick just to walk you through the assignment, okay? Just a 5-10 minute deal. But
Okay.
I'll try to upload me walking through some programs, and I'll upload different examples from now on too, so we won't be live every day like this, all right? It's going to be kind of a hybrid approach. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
that sounds
sir.
good.
Okay.
All right, guys. Well, I'll see you on Wednesday then, all right?
Come here, baby.
See you later.
All right.
I got a
See
new
you guys.
dog. All right,
All
see
right.
y'all.
Later. You guys know how to get out? Yeah. Boom. Caitlin, you're still there, and Dylan's there.
Oh, I must have done something wrong
Why?
because I exited out of it and it's not closed.
Here, you want me to make you remove you?
Yeah, just give me the boot.
You're gone. See you.